So another quick way for you to develop your story script by leveraging AI is by using GravityWrite. So I just wanted to introduce this tool because it's a pretty quick way to generate stories and get going with your next steps. So you're going to want to go to gravitywrite.com and basically just sign up. So I'm just going to put in my email address. And do keep in mind that we already produced our story using ChatGPT, but this is just an additional method if you chose to want to take this approach as opposed to using ChatGPT. But for the purpose of this course, we're going to go with the story that was already scripted by ChatGPT. I just want to make sure that you're aware of this tool as well. Now, this tool is a paid item, but there is a way to get a free version of it for the time being. So I think it's a pretty neat tool and helpful. So what you want to do is once you log in with your email address, just go to the left-hand side here, and under Tools, you're going to look for Filmmaking Tools. You're going to click on that drop-down, and then click on AI Film Script Writer. Okay, now you can see it's a premium feature, but I'm going to show you how to access this for free for now. This may not always be the case, as in the future it may be completely inaccessible unless you have a starter or pro version or premium version. But what you can do is once you've clicked on AI Film Script Writer, you can just click on Try New UI. They have a new user interface. And that basically allows you to access that feature for now because it is a trial version. So again, you're going to click on AI Tools, click on View More, go all the way down, go to Filmmaking Tools, click on AI Film Script Writer. And then once you're here, you have access to the AI Film Script Writer. Again, this is a premium feature, but for now I can show you, I can demonstrate how to use it. So all you do, instead of entering in prompts, you can just kind of enter in bits and pieces. So for instance, it wants you to identify what the genre of the film is. So do you want to produce a script for an action type of film, fantasy, romance, sci-fi, etc. So we're going to put in fantasy for now. What is the film style? I'm going to pick 3D animation, so I'll enter that in. For the duration of the film, again, it's your choice, but I think 30 seconds will suffice. Okay, so 30 seconds, you can even say seconds to be specific, and then add your one-line story. Again, I'm going to produce something similar, so I'm going to say a young man looking to overcome obstacles in a forest. Okay, just something simple like that. I'm going to go ahead and click on Create Content. And then as soon as I click that, you're going to see that it produces a story for me immediately. Okay, now it's going to say unlock your content. So you would have to upgrade, but you can actually still copy and paste the content. You would just basically click on all this and copy. So that is one way to do it. You can also download it, but again, you need to have the premium feature. But at least you know how to approach this with the GravityWrite tool, and it is a little pricey, but it does give you access to a bunch of other tools. I'm not advocating for this, as you may have noticed in my other courses. If you've taken any of my other courses, I always advocate for free trials, and I advocate for free resources to make AI possibilities happen. So what I can do is I can paste a story, and as you can see, here's a story. So I can still access the story, but I'm still limited because it's not going to allow me to do it again, right? So it's just one other approach to consider. And I thought it would be good to share this piece of knowledge as well. I personally would prefer ChatGPT, but this is another resource that you can use, especially if you want to start off with a trial version and pick and choose between what's more favorable for you, either the AI Film Script Writer on GravityWrite, or in our case, we're going to be using the story that we generated with ChatGPT.